what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty.
Hi guys, hi. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Mkhadi Murabi and I am Khato and Caps 2 on Instagram. Do follow me guys for some dope content there. Guys, thank you so much guys for clicking my video. I hope you enjoy it here. And for my returning subbies, thank you so much again guys for choosing me again. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't skip the ads. It's a new year, let's make some changes. Yeah, don't skip the ads, and you can give me super thanks if you feel generous. I really appreciate it. And also guys, I have a membership, you can also join me. So I am going to church today, yeah, for the first time this year, honey. Starting a new year with a good start. So yeah, let's go to church. I'm with my baby there. Let's go guys before I'm more late.
The Lord Jesus took some bread and gave thanks to God for it. Then he broke it in pieces and said, Amen. I think we all have our bread. And the guys in the back come front. Let's all join in together. I don't want to carry on without you. Lest I shame you that I was not there when you were there. Let us all do the will of God and join.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Sunday, what a blessed first Sunday of the month. Oh God. I had a great day. Hi guys, it was a beautiful Sunday guys. I really had so much fun. Man, it's always a good idea to go to church. Like, it's always a good idea. So I decided that let me unbox with you. I've got an unboxing. Ooh, guys, I've got a thingy from YouTube. Guys, can you see it? something from YouTube. Okay, this is so nice. Oh man, I've got a message. Hello, congratulations on successfully completing YouTube Champs. Thank you for your commitment to supporting community initiatives. Please enjoy this well-earned reward. We look forward to continue to build this community and see you in our next initiative. Khomoto. I've got a YouTube manager, guys, Khomoto. So and he's the one who sent us this. This just reminds me of Simone. This is when you go out, ne? Guys, I'll wear it when I go to events. This is the bag. It's super cute. This is Simone's vibe. Ah man, I wish Simone you were this side. Oh, okay, we've got these. So what we can do, we can start filming with the pin. I mean, you know, I'm from YouTube, honey. I am from YouTube, guys. I am so happy. Going to church is always a good idea. Like, if you always wonder how I do it, one of the things is because of God. Like, God got me. How do you do this? In a little tricky. I thought I was just gonna clip it so I can continue, you know, talking while maybe this side, you know, just to show Kuti, you know, I'm a member. Just to show that I am a member. I don't know how do we pin it. I'll ask my husband. Let me not. Okay, I think yeah, guys, this is because of you. This is because of your support. You see, that's why YouTube sees me. Fell down. That's why YouTube sees me, guys. Okay, I think it's not a thingy. So yeah, you see, even when we are vlogging somewhere, they will understand what we are, you know, from YouTube community. Yeah. See, press play. I need to take a picture with it, right? I love it. I love this. This is nice. Okay, let's check what else is in the bag, because that was a surprise. Okay, that's it. So yeah, I'll put my phone and all of that, you know, in here that I need when I go shopping. Then I'll put it here. Guys, I showed you my outfit when I was at church, né? So basically this is it. So yeah, I love it. Can't believe it took so long for unboxing that. And guys, we finally got our light. I can't wait to show you guys our living room. You know, we finally got the lights. I told you guys I got these lights from Temu. There's different lights, guys. There's different lights, different designs, different prices, right? So I thought this like suit my budget, and you know, so yeah, it's this two. So we decided to buy the ones that come two in a pack. So then we have another, because remember I bought one for testing. Yeah, for those that forgot, they like this. Yeah, she'll do the one that is black. So yeah, guys, I got 4 of this light. I'll put the price on the side for you guys if you are interested. Okay, so they sit like this under the picture light. So I'm gonna show you guys once my husband put it, and you charge it. So you charge it here with the USB charger. No, it's actually type C charger, and then they come with the remotes. Then they have got different lights, you see. Yeah, so they come with the remotes, but you can also switch it on from it if you can't find the remote. So yeah, I don't think, why are they all on? God, okay, where's the remote anyway, by the way? Okay, here's the remote. Here's the remote for it. So yeah, so they all have got, they came with this remote and they come with the charger as well. So yeah, oh god, I didn't want to take this long. Yeah, so it's the 4 of them. See, it's the 4 of them. But remember, we already have one there, so we're gonna have one extra. I'm still deciding that I want to put an extra picture, and yeah, we'll use it for that. And guys, my husband ordered this for me. My husband ordered this for me, guys. It's another electric grinder for pepper and salt. That one broke. The one that I used to use, it broke down. So this is it. They don't come with the batteries. I'm sure I have to go and buy the 6 batteries. I must remember we are going out, me and my husband now. I'm gonna tell you the story now. They are so nice. So yeah, so you put the things here and then you're just gonna press here, I think, when you're using it. So I think, yeah, we'll check it out and see. I don't think, because I'm pressing, nothing is happening. I don't think, oh yeah, this is where the battery's supposed to go. But I don't know how. I don't even know what type of batteries. My husband will figure it out. So yeah, we've got this, guys. He got it for me. So yeah, that's the unboxing, guys. I wanted to tell you a little story. We are going out. My husband has finally decided to buy me a dishwasher. I am so excited. I am so excited. I am so excited, guys. Hey guys, yes, that was it. That was all the things that I needed to unbox. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys when I do something fun. Oh guys, and I just wanted to come here, in the new year. This is my first sit down video in the new year where I'm relaxed. Just want to thank you. I just want to thank you guys for being with me throughout the year, for supporting me. I managed to finally monetize on YouTube, guys. I've hit so many milestones because of you, and I am so grateful. So I'm just wishing for a better year, better ads, for you guys not to skip the ads and to save you guys good quality content. That's all that I wish for this year. Yeah, good quality content that you guys will love. And I want you guys to actually suggest, tell me, what is it that you want to see on my video? What is it that you want me to share on my videos? But yeah, I just wanted to come and thank you guys, for holding my hand and with everything. I really appreciate you guys. Like, I don't take you guys for granted, please know that. And yeah, happy 2025. Happy 2025. Yeah, it's a fine year, honey. It's a fine year for the yummy mummies, for the soft life mummies. We're all hunting for this soft life. So I wish you guys a fine 2025, a very fine living, everything fine, money and all of that, everything for you guys, for God to bless you and your families. And yeah, enjoy my vlogs this year. Please continue on supporting me. Thank you so much, guys. Hey guys, like, looking for a dishwasher, it's a job that we didn't think of. We thought we'll just go to the shop, get a dishwasher and come back. Only to learn that there's 2 sprinters, there's 4 washers, energy saving, the water level and all of that. So yeah, it's been a tough journey. As you can see, we've been going to multiple shops, trying to find the right one for us. So obviously, yeah, like at this moment we're looking for a quart washer, and the one that saves the energy, like more than A+. If it's just an A, it must be an A+ or A triple. and also the water level, at least it should be less than 10. So those were now our requirements after we have learned. So just prepare yourself when you're getting a dishwasher, because then it's like also there's 15 place or whatever, 14 and 13. Yeah, so but yeah, we finally got ours and I'll show you.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done. Breaking up and then get back together.
Side.
Yeah, so they're coming in, like even these guys, India, coming to country shop. If you look at your big brand, like
Like everything that's bad in life is
Yeah, it even looks nice. It even it's our colors.
the lighter color.
We don't want a lighter color.
and I know that it's over.
We want the charcoal.
Got the look on your face.
So get 3 sprinters, ne? Not 4.
So hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Gloria, please. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in life always come to an end? We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. I know that it's over. Got a look on your face. But the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name. And you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh, yeah. I would try not, yeah, to cry. Gloria,
Guys.
Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name.
Hey guys, I can't believe I've been wearing this the whole day. We're going home. We're done with shopping. See you at home.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
guys, so I'm going to skip. I'm doing the challenge for Mutlie for skipping. So I'm gonna do 100. So starting at 000, we're going outside. I'm gonna go outside there and skip.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
Ngathi ngayenza i-refresh yabona, but yo hayi shame, I think I stayed over a month. It's not over a month actually now that I think, because I did them in December. Over 15, so it's not even 15 Jan. Because I didn't want to do it. I asked my aunt, I'm like, how does it look? At hours. You know when you have to kaka you, that's when you appreciate the hair. You think, oh, it's such a nice. That is not nice. Last day. So nice.
It's your own hair at the bottom. So your husband may have.
But rather because like it's safe in the air, like it's so safe. Yeah. Oh, sure, I was still wanna appreciate it. That's mainly I was supposed to stay for this weekend again. You said it right that you must go to the saloon. You see, we finished the hair within 30 minutes. Eh? Not even 30. It was 20 minutes. Guys, look at my hair. I'm going to wash now. I'm going to wash. Wow, that was fast. That was fast. Sure. Let's go. I love it. Oh man, I love my hair. I missed my hair so much. Oh.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God